National Lotteries for the assistance in the tents, the medical personnel and Dr. Murray and his team, all the parents and the supporters who came out this evening to give support to the athletes and to the school in general, all the teachers, all the officials from the Ministry of Sport.
Do we have a Vietnamese soldier on the field?
Mr. Murray, Mr. Coordinator, and his team, all those who assisted in the judging of the march bands and the cheerleading, all those spectators are behaving so nicely today.
The scorers, the officials,
all the children who participated, all the schools who came by to support, the principal, the teachers from other schools, and everyone else who did really made nice on this evening.